Hello everyone, let's discuss this question. The question states that we need to find the reading of the ammeter for the silicon diode given in the circuit. Diode is this attached with an resistance, ammeter and 3-volt battery. So we need to remember the formula for the current which has a diode in the circuit, that is I equal to V minus V diode upon R, right? Here V is equal to 3 volt. Remember, it is said that it is a silicon diode. For silicon diode, the value of V diode is 0.7. R is 200 given in the question into 1000 as we are calculating the value of current in milliampere, right? So on solving this equation, you'll get the value as 11.5 milliampere. That is the option A. So option A is the correct answer.